Okay, so our next task is related to so next task is related to finding the percentage. Let's see the query. So the query says print the average of the marks array for the student name provided, showing 2 places after the decimal. Okay, this is the thing that we need to see while we're printing the output. The input format is the key value pairs of name and marks. So marks is an array. Okay, so we see the example alpha, beta, and on the basis of query we will have to give the average of the person who has been queried. Let's see the sample input. So they have provided 3% and marks for the 3 persons, and the query is Malika. So the output is 56 because 52. Okay, 52 plus 56 plus 60 divided by 3, that becomes 56. So 56.00, and same here the query is Harsh. So 25 plus 25.6 plus 28 divided by 3, it becomes 26.50. Okay, all right, let's write the query for it, or sorry, let's write the solution for it. So let's see. First we have to pick up the values of the queried input. So what we do here is student marks, and then we put query name. So that's how we will get the list, or say values list. Let's put it value list. And now let's try to find average. So the average will be sum of value list, okay, and then divided by length of value list. Okay, so now we will have to print average. Yes, we'll have to print the average. Let's run the code. Okay, yeah. So we'll have to point it out for the 2 decimals. So here I'll be using format value. So let's put average colon dot 2f. So this is the format through which you can format it up to 2 decimal points. Now let's run the code again. It worked. Let's submit the code and see if all the test cases ran successfully. Okay, so all 9 test cases, they ran successfully. So that's how you can write this program. Let's move to the next section.